guys, today we'll be making an adorable Deco Mesh New Year's wreath. What you will need, I have a wreath ring. This one is 16 inches and it does have the Chanel stems attached, but I have a video showing you how to use a plain wreath ring and attach your own Chanel stems if you choose to do so. So I will link that in the description box down below. I also have Deco Mesh. This is 6-inch Deco Mesh and it was purchased at Dollar Tree. And I also have 10-inch Deco Mesh purchased at Hobby Lobby. I have... This ribbon is 2 3/4 inches wide, black and white. Then I have this really pretty silver. This was purchased at Walmart. These were from Joann. And then I already had this, I believe it's like 1 inch wide white ribbon. I just got a bunch of different colors and sizes of the Deco Mesh and ribbon because I'm just going to have fun with it. And then I have this really pretty silver gray Deco Mesh, the 21-inch long Deco Mesh. I also have a bow wire and the mini Padabra. And scissors, of course. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is raise all of my Chanel stems. First thing I'm going to do is take my Deco Mesh and I'm going to curl it into a nice little point. Sometimes I do use 2 rolls, so I kind of double the mesh, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to start on the outer ring, place it down, twist it a couple of times, just like that. Next thing I'm going to do is pull the mesh to make a nice poof, and then place it down in the next Chanel stem. And the size of the poof is completely up to you. You can make them large, small, whatever you decide. Alright, and I'm just going to do the same thing again. Just going to continue doing this all the way around the outer ring and also the inner ring. Alright, so I've come back around to my first stem. What I'm going to do is pull, make another poof, but I'm going to untwist, place this piece down, and twist it back. And sometimes I do like to cut it and start over on the inner ring, but I have so much mesh left on my roll that I'm just going to continue all the way around. So I'm just going to pull, make a poof. But this time I'm going to go to the inner ring. See, I'm going from here, making a poof and twisting it down here. And now after I do this, I'm able to just continue on around the inner ring. Okay, so I'm just going to cut away the rest of the mesh. And then just tuck this away. And I'm just fluffing up all of my poofs to make sure they're nice and fluffy, which this is very, very poofy. Alright, now we're going to add more Deco Mesh and ribbon and a bow. So I decided to go with 1 piece of the gray 10-inch and roll it at a curl, and the 10-inch long Deco Mesh is cut into 7 or 8-inch long pieces. And then I'm going to use black of the 6-inch Deco Mesh and it's cut into 8-inch long pieces, and I'm rolling that at a curl so that it can be the same length as my 10-inch long piece. And I'm going to use 1 white piece, 1 silver piece, and 2 black pieces. So again, the 10-inch Deco Mesh I'm rolling at a curl, just like that. And the 6-inch long Deco Mesh I'm rolling at a diagonal. And I like to kind of play around with it and get it a good angle so you can see all of it. Take a piece of my 1-inch white ribbon. I'm going to just place it in there somewhere. And the silver piece is 5/8 inches in width. I'm going to just place that right on top. You can use whatever variations of ribbon and Deco Mesh that you choose. I just thought these colors and sizes looked really cute. Scrunch it all together. Find a stem, untwist, Place your bundle down and twist it back a couple of times. Let's start with the white. Curl, curl, curl. And this one is already pretty much curled. Roll the shorter pieces at a diagonal. Put a ribbon in between there. Go like that. And silver on top. Scrunch it all together. Go to the next stem. Unravel. Place it down. And twist it back. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get all of my bundles in place. And then we'll move on to our next step. Alright, so I have all the ribbon and deco mesh in place. It looks so cute and poofy. You could just finish the wreath here because this looks so cute, but I'm going to add one finishing touch, which is a cute bow.